Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is our first English class, and in our first English class, we are going to talk about tenses. Present tense. Tense refers to the time when the action takes place. Tense, you all know that what tense is. Tense talks about the time of an action. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense refers to the action which take place in the past. Present tense refers to the action which take place in the present time or now. Past tense talks about the action which is completed in the past. Future tense talks about the action which will take place in the future. Clear? Present tense refers to the action which are taking place now. Past tense, actions had taken place in the past, or future actions will take place in the future. There are four types of forms of tenses: simple form, continuous form, present perfect continuous form, and perfect form. Forms of present tense. Forms of present tense. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to show habitual action. Habitual action means aadatein. Habitual action means habits. She plays badminton every day. She plays badminton every day. Every day means she used to play badminton every day. It's an in habit, not sometimes, every day. To express a natural truth, a universal truth, विश्व सत्य बताने के लिए, द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट, इट विल नेवर चेंज. It will never change. Sun will rise always in the east direction only. To express a future event which is already arranged. To express future event, किसी भी भविष्य की घटना को बताने के लिए जो पहले से ही निर्धारित की गई है. द टूर्नामेंट बिगिंस टुमारो. द टूर्नामेंट बिगिंस टुमारो. कल से टूर्नामेंट शुरू हो जाएगा. टू एक्सप्रेस थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. टू एक्सप्रेस थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का यूज़ कब किया जाता है? टू शो हैबिचुअल एक्शन, टू एक्सप्रेस अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ, टू एक्सप्रेस अ फ्यूचर इवेंट विच इज़ ऑलरेडी अरेंज्ड, टू एक्सप्रेस थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. नेक्स्ट इज वी यूज़ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म विद आई वी यू दे. We add s or es to first form of the verb with he, she, it and singular nouns. That is, I read a book. She reads a book. I verb की first form with I, we, you, they. This is subject. First form I read a book. Second is we add s or es to verb first form with he, she, it and singular nouns. This is she. We are using reads. She reads a book. Next is we do not add s or es to the verb in negative sentences. In negative sentences, when do we form negative sentences? When we put not in between a sentence, it becomes a negative sentence. And in negative sentences we don't use s or es. Use does with he, she, it and singular nouns. he, she, it के साथ क्या लगता है? does. he, she, it के साथ हमें सेंटेंस में लगाना है does. use do with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. I, we, do, you, they इनके साथ हमें do लगाना है. like I am not speak to him. I do not speak to him. I am not speak to him. It is correct. Incorrect. I am not. I am not is incorrect. The correct form is I do not. Correct form is I do not speak to him. मैं उससे बात नहीं करूँगा. Second is we does not make a noise. We does not make a noise. Is it correct? No. Why? Because we have to use do. We have to use do instead of using does. We do not make a noise. हम शोर नहीं मचा रहे हैं. Next is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to indicate that we are in the middle of an action. Present continuous का मतलब है it indicates that we are in the middle of an action. We are doing an action and it has not been completed. It is going on. She is packing her bag. She is packing her bag. वह अपना बैग पैक कर रही है. बैग पैक करना ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी काम चल ही रहा है. Next is to indicate an action which is taking place. To indicate an action which is taking place but is not continuing at the time of speaking. ऐसा काम बताने के लिए जो चल रहा है लेकिन अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. नहीं. To indicate an action which is taking place but is not continuing at the time of speaking. एक्शन हो रहा है लेकिन बात करते समय वह एक्शन नहीं किया जा रहा है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, माई ब्रदर इज़ डायरेक्टिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म दीज डेज. इन दिनों मेरा भाई एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म. व्हाट इज़ डॉक्यूमेंट्री? लाइफ portrait of somebody. Life portrait of somebody means directing a film on somebody's life. To indicate the future meaning of present continuous. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म का फ्यूचर मीनिंग बताने के लिए. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म का फ्यूचर मीनिंग बताने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द चिल्ड्रन आर विजिटिंग द जू टुमारो. द चिल्ड्रन आर विजिटिंग द जू टुमारो. बच्चे कल जू देखने वाले हैं. टू फॉर्म ing फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब्स. टू फॉर्म ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वर्ब एंडिंग इन ई. जो वर्ब ई में ख़त्म होते हैं, ड्रॉप ई, उनसे ई हटा दो. जैसे है गिव. गिव में हमने ई हटा दिया. ई को हटाने के बाद क्या बना दिया इसका? गिविंग. गिविंग. टेक का टेकिंग. टेक का टेकिंग. राइड. राइड में ड्रॉप ई. आफ्टर ड्रॉपिंग ई वी विल राइट राइडिंग. राइडिंग. लाइक दिस, ड्राइव, ड्राइविंग. ड्राइविंग. Fine. Next is the verb ending in ie. Change ie into y. Change ie into y. Lie. Lie. Drop ie. It's lying. Tie. Tying. Fine. So students, this is for today. I hope you like the class. In our next class we will take other type of the tense. Till then, learn these tenses and we will discuss about other types of tenses in our next class. Hope you enjoyed and liked the class. Stay safe and healthy. Till then, bye bye.